Hey, it's Rachel with the curls. I'm back like I never left the nest. Oh, that's so dirty. Oh my gosh, let me go back. Hey guys, it's Rachel with the curls. I am back. I know it's been like years since I've made a video for you all because life happens, stress happens, and you lose sight of what you're supposed to be doing. But with this quarantine time, it's time for us to do what we love to do, not be in the house and be on unemployment and only eat and only sleep all day and play Sims. So I'm just gonna do this now while I'm unemployed at the time. I'm gonna be doing a review on Mielle Pure Simple Natural Organic. I think it's organics. They had this little cute little box. It's unboxing. I'm opening for the first time. I'm gonna show y'all how it. Ooh. How do you open this box? Oh, here we go. Ooh. There's some cotton falling out of it. Well, I don't know what it's called, but this is pretty. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Y'all better advertise. Y'all better. I don't know the word is, but y'all better market. Yes, the marketing. Y'all better marketing. So I'm gonna undo. Ooh, all these little foamies are a bit. Okay, got the way. So I bought like the whole line. It's the Rice Water Collection by Mielle. They have sold out right now, and I got my first pick as soon as I saw they were on sale. I got it. Got the whole line of rice water. I'm excited about rice water because I heard that it helps strengthen your hair to make it grow. So I'm excited for that. So first thing I see in my hand is Shine Mist. Excellent for length retention for daily use. It's a cute little bottle they got going on, a nice little size. Next thing I grabbed is Mielle Rice Water Collection. Split End Therapy, excellent for length retention. So obviously, as I said, rice water helps strengthen your hair to make it grow. Your hair has to be strong to grow, so length retention is key. This looks pretty cool. I'm not quite sure what I'm supposed to do with it though. Let me look. Okay, it says apply a dime-sized amount into the palm of your hand, massage and apply product from root to tip. Okay. It says split end prevention, apply to ends of hair, place a plastic cap on head and leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse and proceed with shampooing. Okay, so this is a pre-poo treatment, which I love because I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I love a deep conditioner. I do. But I don't like having to get out the shower and I'm cold and I'm shivering and I gotta do all this. I don't got time for it. So I rock with y'all for this because I don't like to Mielle. Okay, so the next thing in here is Rice Water Collection. Well, sorry. Mielle Rice Water Collection Clay Mask. Ooh, this looks really cute. So what the package looks like. It says hair usage. Apply a generous amount of product to damp hair from root to tip. Leave on for 15 to 30 minutes. Cover with the plastic cap and rinse. May be used every 2 weeks. Oh, it got two purposes. And it says body usage too. You put it on your body and your hair. It says apply to body. Leave on 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. I'm not sure if I'm gonna review that just yet with the whole body thing. I mean, I could, I might. I'm gonna think about it. But this, it looks nice. I'm gonna smell it. Ooh. You know what? This smells very organic. That's what it smells like. It smells very organic. No preservatives. Well, there's some preservatives in here, but you know what I'm trying to say. It smells earthy, but not in a bad way. It's just, it's okay. The first scent is like, but the next scent is like, oh, refreshing, you know? So this smells nice. I think is that it? Oh, no, I got another. The last one, I think. Yep, last one. So this is Mielle Rice Water Collection. Moisturizing milk, excellent for length retention. And it says on y'all, directions. Apply a dime-sized amount from root to tip on wet or dry hair. May be used for styling and hydration. So this you can use for a twist out, obviously, which I'm going to do coming up soon. So this is all that they got. This is the unboxing of the Mielle Rice Water Collection. Oh, I don't think I read the first, what it does. The Shine Mist, it says to apply to damp or dry hair, style as desired, may be used to refresh curls or desired hairstyle. So yeah, I love the first look of this. It looks very nice. I'm excited to try it. But yeah, so this is a little cute little box they got. I'm gonna try these out. So stay tuned, you all.